This guide will walk you through setting up a group package in Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag, as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. If the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. After opening the visitors page, go to the Group Packages section as highlighted and click on the plus icon button as highlighted in green. The Group Package Setup wizard will open. We need to fill this section as follows. Name the package to easily track it and assign later. From the drop-down menu options, select a specific package type to set for this group package. Below the package components are displayed. Review the package as highlighted in red. When ready to proceed, click on Next button as highlighted in blue. For step 2, you have the option to save the package for later by clicking on Create button. To begin, immediately scan users into the group package using the enrollment reader and click Create and Start. The user page will display the newly purchased package in the Group Packages section as highlighted. Thanks for watching.